Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will try to explain to you something about laws in electrical engineering and what can you study if you decide this to be your major. I will explain to you the Kirchoff's voltage and current law and the application in solving real-world problems. So, in this major you can study the laws like the Kirchoff's law. Kirchoff's law is one of the fundamental laws in electrical engineering. Gustav Robert Kirchoff was a German physicist who contributed to the fundamental understanding of electrical circuits. Kirchoff's circuit laws are two equalities that deal with the current and potential difference, also known as voltage, the lumped element module of electrical circuits. They were first described by Kirchoff in 1845. This generalized the work of Georg Ohm and preceded the work of Maxwell. It is widely used in electrical engineering, and they are also called and known as Kirchoff's rules or Kirchoff's laws. Kirchoff's laws are the two laws necessary for solving circuit problems. For simple circuits, we have been applying these equations almost instinctively. The first Kirchoff's law states that the voltage around a closed path in a circuit must sum to zero. The voltage drops being negative, following a current through a resistor, while the gains are positive going through the battery from the negative to the positive terminal. The second Kirchoff's law states that the sum of the currents entering a node or a junction must equal to the sum of the currents exiting a node. The first law is a simple statement of the meaning of the potential, and the second law is the statement of current conservation mentioned before in the Ohm's law lecture. For the node of the left, on the right side, we can see that I1 current is entering the node and the I2 and I3 currents are going out of the node. So the relationship between is simple, and it states that I1 is equal I2 plus I3.